Hello, dear children. Today we shall discuss something about supply. Before I explain you the terminology of supply, I will start with the example that you can see on the screen. According to that example, a firm has produced 1000 shirts, and out of that 1000 shirts, they bring 600 shirts in the market to sell. The selling price is decided as 500 rupees. So total production of the businessman will be 1000 shirts. Out of 1000 they bring 600 in the market so that they can sell, so that 600 shirts will become supply, and the remaining 400 must be kept somewhere in the warehouse or the godown, so it will be our stock. And 500 rupees on the screen that you can see is nothing but the selling price. Now from this example we shall try to understand and focus on the meaning of the three terminologies. Production: the total quantity of goods created by available factors of production during a fixed period of time is known as production. Out of production, whatever amount of goods produced are brought in the market for sales is called supply. And the difference between production and supply is called stock. That is, total available amount of goods with the producer which is kept at the warehouse or the godown is called stock. So these are the three terminologies which are interconnected to each other. Thank you.